Hello, folks. Tuesday, September 24th, 3 p.m. We have a bogey coming in, Helena, and I've been working on this thing for a while. I've been shooting it with 4 or 5 dishes from Houston, and you can see it's scattered. It's having an effect on it. It's not really turning and forming. What I'm noticing too is that it's not spinning at all. Not yet. Maybe when it gets in open water, but I have direct hits on this thing right now. You can see it has an effect. It's not spinning. So what I'm trying to do is infect it with the virus.
We're in. Oh. This time's for money. Do it. Do it.
Sir, he's uploading the virus.
Eagle 1, the package is being delivered. The virus is in. Delivery complete.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. Our 4 commitments, what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Alright, look at that. Take a look at the image.
So yeah, that's what these cannons literally do. It's gonna keep it from organizing. Hopefully, when it gets in open water, it doesn't form more, but it's supposed to. So we're gonna watch this thing, see what happens. I'll make another video soon.